Man, we here to pick up where we left off from last video, man. If y'all didn't see that, go check that out, man. But we installed the two-piece fenders and we removed everything to get ready for the wrap. We cleaned the car and everything, clay barred it, and right now we're gonna hop straight into the wrap. We got the gloves right here, little tools, squeegees, got some magnets, and got some 3M. Yes sir, yes sir. That's the tape, make sure everything is a nice, good, straight finish. Got everything off of Amazon right there. And then we got our measuring tape, some alcohol just to wipe it down again, even though we already cleaned it. And we got a little soap and water right there. And then we got the wrap itself. Yes sir, we got some rags in here, just in case we need those to wipe it down. Boom, but the first thing we're gonna be doing is the hood. So I'm gonna set y'all up and then we're gonna measure it and cut everything. Then we're gonna get to the wrapping. All right, we got the wrap out the box. Check the wrap, huh? I can't really see it good on camera, but all right. Quick little update. I finished the hood. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? I'm fucking with it, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I cut everything already. It's not the best cutting, but hey man, it's getting the job done. Could probably cut a little extra, like right here. Right now, about to start on the door. We're gonna wipe it down with alcohol real quick and then measure the piece, measure the door, make sure we get it right. Yeah. About to take this off so it can be easier to wrap. All right, so we got it laid flat for the most part. Come on now, y'all can. Oh my. All right, but we're about to get the squeegee in it. We don't really need to cut off no access. I mean, not of right now because it's not that much, so we should be good until we get done squeegeeing it all the way. You just take your hand, you're gonna run it all the way across first. And then we're gonna come just got done cutting the access. We haven't tucked it in yet. We still haven't cut the bottom. Looking good so far. Break. But I'll get back to y'all when I start on. Might do this. Might do this piece. But I don't know because we're gonna have to take this fill out and I don't feel like doing that right now. And this piece right here. Well, I guess we're gonna end up doing this piece next. Right now, she is looking good. Alright guys, that's how we're looking right now. So first time wrapping. Besides the door handle. That's like it's not really nothing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So we're about to wipe this down with some alcohol. I already cut out the piece for it. It's ready to go. Start from the middle right here. Just move this out all the way across. Come in with your squeegee. This is what I got done so far. These are not on the way, so That would be closer. That gap would be close. What y'all think? What y'all think, man? It's my first time doing it. Let me know, man. Is y'all fucking with the color or not, man? Yes, sir. Alright, guys, we're gonna be moving on to the back bumper now. You just have to cut the wrap. Got the bumper piece on. All right, VQ fam, we just got done with the back bumper. Now, the only reason I didn't record it while I was doing it is because I know y'all don't want to watch a long ass time lapse. Like, this piece was the most time consuming. It wasn't really hard, it was just time consuming. So, yeah. Just time itself. But overall, I think it came out hella good. In one piece too. Now on YouTube, I see when people wrap G37 a coupe, they usually do the back bumper in 2 pieces. I managed to get it in 1. So hopefully. Now we will be finishing up this side. We got the door, this right here, back panel, and the trunk. So yeah, we made some progress, man. I want to shout out my boy Jose for coming over here and helping me hit the bumper. Stayed up till like 5 o'clock a.m. in the morning. So shout out to him. Yes, all right, so we finally got the door handles in. That's how we looking. We also did this mud guard. Now we're about to start on the trunk. We're gonna do it in 2 separate pieces, just because it'd be more convenient that way. So we got this piece of knifeless tape right here, and then we're gonna put the bottom piece first, and then we're gonna put the top piece, and then we're gonna pull it. Should be a nice straight finish. And we also got this handle installed and did this door, and also this part right here. So yeah, man, we're coming along so far. Gotta do that and this panel. That's really a wrap. No pun intended. But we also gotta do the fenders. We're not leaving those black, so we gotta do those. But we can do this. Okay, BQ fam. We started on the fenders. We did some inlays. We just took some scraps and did that. Boom. Now we're gonna do one big piece. That's gonna be the overlay. So y'all not gonna be able to tell that these are even there. And yeah, just wanted to show y'all how we looking right now. All right, so we are gonna be wrapping these black, but for right now, we're gonna be leaving them just like this. And give y'all a look of the G. We're almost done, man. We're almost done. Literally. We got one more fender. And we shall be complete. just gotta do this fender and then we're done. Well, actually, we gotta do the bumper and then we're done. But yeah, that's gonna be easy. So yeah, man, what do y'all think? Let me know it down in the comments. Was this the right color? Now, the last step is just reassembling everything together. And then that's gonna be it. You just gotta put the wing on, the emblem, the headlights and all, everything like that. Yes, sir. It's been a couple days since we were at the G, man. So we like more than halfway done. So you know, we taking a break right now. We got my boy John shit. We rapping the Z right now. What color this is, man?
AM, deep blue face.
Yes, sir. He was trying to get it closest to his OEM color as possible. Oh, let me go to the other one. OEM color. Wrap. You hitting that right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna end the video right here just because it's already too long. So y'all come back to the next video, man. Like and subscribe. Comment what y'all think about the color and the fenders. Let me know what y'all think about that. Because I'm not really a carbon guy. I already know y'all gonna be like, why you ain't do the carbon? Why you ain't do the carbon? Nah.